Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a TV aquarium in Heartopia. So you're going to want to do 4 by 1 and then put 2 at each sides for the walls. And the height for it is 1 wall and 1 half wall. Then you're going to place these lights. We have the floor lamps. We have 2. And we're going to put it on like each of the end tiles like this and that. Press the multiple selection and we're going to select both of the lamps, move all, and we're going to glitch that out. Okay, sometimes it doesn't work on the first try as per usual. Alright, hopefully that worked. Okay. Then get some floorings and we're just going to place the flooring on this like tile. Then grab a low wall. If I can just find it. Okay, it's here. And we're going to place it there. And this is the wall for our like TV. So make sure it's this color. Grab your large fish tank. It's just gonna fly. And you're gonna want to place it here. Make sure it's in the middle, which it is. Perfect. I'm just going to close everything up. And let's delete the low wall there. And I'm just going to decorate the room a little bit. This is like behind my yard, so it looks kind of weird, but I'll be right back with the finished results. You're just going to press complete and you're going to go back to the like, actually you don't have to because we're not in blueprint mode, so I'm just gonna decorate. Okay, so you might want to put the light closer a little bit actually because I did place a pillar, but if you didn't, that's totally fine. But yeah, here is the finished results. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!